Why I'm saying you don't need to update your Hollyland firmware. The thing is, one of our viewers said after he updated the firmware of his Hollyland, the receiver was not working properly. The transmitter works fine, but the receiver wasn't. So he tried everything, but still it didn't work. So this is not the single case. I also see the same thing on internet. So what's the issue? Actually, the thing is, when you try to update the firmware, you need to do it correctly. So this case is same for phones and also for laptops, everything. The same case applicable for this microphone. So when we update the firmware, we need to done it correctly. Let's see. I just connected my receiver. I just open Holly Audio app and settings, version information, check for updates. Here is my new version found, my latest firmware version and receiver latest firmware version. Download and install. If you click, here is the pop-up. New version available. Please connect the mic to the receiver for simultaneous upgrading. And there is a note. There is a risk of incompatibility if the transmitter version does not match the receiver version. So the thing is, it will separately update your transmitters, the two transmitters and the receiver. There is a separate firmware for both our devices. And the important thing I already seen on the old app is, before update your Hollyland microphone, you need to remove your both mics from the case. You need to turn the both devices on condition like this and try to update your version. So this is the right method. Actually, I didn't update the firmware. And one thing I want to remember you, don't confuse this firmware update with the app update. The app update is different. Just click Holly. So you can update the Holly app update in many times. It does not matter. You can update the app, but the firmware update is the difficult thing. You need to do it rightly. I suggest it's not need actually. I think we don't need to update the firmware. It's just an audio device. I didn't update the firmware. I usually update the app and that's it. I keep using my microphone. It works very fine. So this is it, and if you want to know more videos about Hollyland tutorials, you need to watch this playlist.